Hello, I'm Charlie. Today I'm going to show you where's the OBD2 connector located on Chrysler 300 limousine. Need to come to the driver door. Oops, this is not a driver door because this vehicle left-handed driving, because I'm used to using the right-hand driving vehicle. That's why I'm trying to open the driver door in right side. This is the driver door, left hand side. OBD connector located underneath the steering. You can see there is a bonnet open lock or latch. There is a bonnet opener. It's next to the bonnet opener underneath the steering. This is the OBD 2 port located next to the bonnet opener. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors.